In this month's sample club, we're creating custom engraved passes and tags using engravable plastic. When engraved, this durable material reveals a bright white layer underneath, creating crisp, easy to read designs that are perfect for schools, offices, libraries, and more. Designed for both durability and visible appeal, this 2-ply engravable plastic creates clean, high contrast markings that stand out clearly against the surface color. The result is a professional, long-lasting product that performs well in high-use environments. Creating the design is simple. We're using a basic hall pass shape with bold text that's easy to read from a distance. You can customize these for classrooms, libraries, media centers, offices, or any area where tracking access is important. Once your artwork is ready, place the plastic in the laser and ensure it is properly focused. Next, adjust the artwork settings in the software, making sure to clearly distinguish between the areas that will be engraved and those that will be vector cut. Once those settings are configured, import the appropriate material settings from the material library. Then send the job to the laser. One of the most satisfying parts of this material is watching the engraving reveal the bright white core beneath the colored surface. The contrast makes text and graphics stand out immediately. When engraving this material, it is best to work from the bottom up. Engraving in this direction helps prevent debris and residue from being pulled back across areas that have already been engraved. As a result, the finished engraving stays cleaner, reduces the chances of contamination or surface marks, and produces a more high contrast quality result. One thing to keep in mind is that each plastic color may require slightly different laser settings. Even when using the same material, different colors can react differently to the laser due to variations in pigment and composition. Because of this, we recommend running a small test on each color before engraving your final design. Taking a few minutes to test and fine-tune the settings can help ensure the best engraving quality and prevent unexpected results. While hall passes are a great fit for schools, this same concept works for many organizations. Create visitor passes, employee tags, equipment identifiers, room signs, and more. A simple material can become a wide variety of sellable products. That's it for this month's sample club. These engraved plastic hall passes are easy to produce, highly customizable, and perfect for any organization that needs durable identification products. Be sure to download the project files, try the design yourself, and let us know what you create.